Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the Verizon Call Filter app. The Verizon Call Filter app is designed to protect Verizon customers from spam calls, robocalls, and fraud. Once installed, it automatically checks incoming calls and labels them as spam, potential fraud, or safe. If a number looks suspicious, you'll see a warning before answering, which helps you avoid scams. You can also set the app to block certain calls completely or send them straight to voicemail. The app has two versions. The free version offers basic spam detection, alerts, and the ability to block unwanted numbers. The paid version, called Call Filter Plus, adds extra tools like caller ID for unknown numbers, a personal spam race meter, and a reverse number lookup so you can see who's behind a number. It works on both iPhone and Android devices for Verizon customers. Many people find it useful because it reduces annoying robocalls and gives more control over incoming calls. However, some advanced features require the paid plan, and like all spam filters, it may not catch every bad call. Overall, it's a handy app for making your phone experience safer and less stressful. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.